going through a weave. A weave will start either going behind first. So for example, if we're weaving to the right, the left will go behind, right to the side. Left across in front, right to the side. Or we could start going across with the left first. So taking the left across, cross in front, right to the side, cross behind with the left, right to the side. So if we take the left behind first, weights in the right, going behind with the left, ready, and behind, side, cross in front, side. That's your weave. Or we could take the left across in front, ready, and cross, side, behind, side. And that's your weave. So you can tell the difference between a weave and a grapevine, because a grapevine will always start going out to the side first. Side, behind, side. You can see that that's different, taking the right out to the side, whereas a weave will be either behind, side, or it'll start cross, side. Okay, so it's called a weave because you're making like a weaving pattern. So if I do it from here, you can see that we're taking one in front, one to the side, one behind, one to the side, in front, side, behind, side. This is like a weaving pattern.